Mung bean soup recipe to try at home. Do you also believe that soups are a winter thing? That's just a myth. Soups are one of the most hydrating and nutritious food for summers and winters. In today's video, we will share 2 mung bean soup recipes that you'll love. Grab your notepads and let's get into the video. Recipe 1. This is the most simple recipe for mung bean soup you'll ever find. Ingredients. To make this recipe you will need 250 grams of mung beans, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 small garlic cloves, ½ inch thin ginger slice, vegetable or chicken stock, a few cubes of squash, optional, a few spices like salt, black pepper, mixed herbs, etc. Procedure. Step 1. You need to do this step a night before. Simply take your mung beans and add enough water to just cover them. Let them sit overnight. The mung beans will soak up water and will become soft. Step 2. Take a large pot and add a tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter to it. Add in your diced garlic, ginger, and onions. Saute them for a minute and add tomatoes. Mix them around for 30 seconds. Take your soaked mung beans and add them straight to the pot along with the water. Let it cook until the water is evaporated. Step 3. Add your vegetable or chicken stock to the pot, followed by some spices. You can use any spices you like. At this point, you can also add your squash pieces. Let this mixture come to a boil and put a lid over it. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes on low flame. Step 4. After 20 minutes, take off the lid and stir the mixture. Take a hand blender and blend this all up until smooth. Lastly, add a little bit of coriander and spring onion on top for garnish. Serve hot and enjoy your soup. Recipe 2. If you like your soup to be a little bit chunky, then this recipe is for you. Ingredients. 1 cup of soaked mung beans, 1 large onion, ½ a cup of baby spinach, ½ a cup of brown rice, ½ a cup of oats, vegetable or chicken stock, few chicken cubes, you can skip these if you're vegetarian. Spices like black pepper, chili flakes, salt, and mixed herbs. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Procedure. Step 1. Take a pot and put it on medium flame. Add your ginger garlic paste, diced onions, soaked mung beans, chicken cubes, and spices to it. Stir and let it cook for 2 minutes. Step 2. Add brown rice and oats to the pot. You can also add baby spinach or any other vegetables of your choice at this point. Step 3. Cover the lid of the pit and then cook for 15 minutes or until mung beans are soft. Starch from oats will help thicken the soup, and you don't have to add cornstarch slurry. Your delicious and chunky mung bean soup is ready. Quick tip. If you forget to soak mung beans overnight, soak them in hot water for 2 hours before cooking. Thanks for watching. For more, subscribe to the channel.